Hello everyone. Today's session is drawing using numbers. Okay. So when we use numbers, it becomes easy for us to draw. Okay. So from numbers and shapes, we can draw many things. And it's really easy and it's a fun way for the kids to learn the drawing. Okay. So let's start the session. Okay. So let's start. So we will make numbers and then from there we will drive a drawing. Okay. So I'm making one. So this is one, and from one, if you will repeat it, it will be double. So just double this number and try to make a candle out of it. Okay. So this is number one. So we can see from number one, we have made a candle. So number two is very easy. As we all know, from number two, we can make a duck. So this is number two. If I'll write it little stylish way, like this, and then from here, I'll just make the mouth and repeat the number two again, like this. Okay. So then just join it from the back and make the feathers of the bird. So this is a duck. So it's quite easy, right? Okay. So after number two, we will be making something with number three. So I'm just writing it here. This is number one and this is number two. Okay, so that you can resemble the shape. And now we have number three. So our number three will be, it's a butterfly. So we'll start from here and just write it like this and make a circle here and join these two parts, and we will make a number three on the opposite side as well. Okay, so this is number three. So I'm just correcting it so that both the part of the butterfly look similar. Okay, so I'm just going to add some design in the wings. And these are the eyes, the body, and the antennas. Okay, so this is our number three. It should be a little bigger. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, so which one you want me to show again? Above? Number 1, 2 or 3? So I'll just repeat it. Number 1 is like this, and we'll just join it down and just make the base of the candle and the flame. So this is number 1 and this is number 2. So just curl it up from here and join the back part, the feathers, eyes and the beak. So this is number 2. The number 3 is the butterfly. So what we can do is we can do this also. So first make it like this, and then this is number 3. So same you have to repeat it here, but in the reverse manner. So this is the mirror image. Okay. So eyes and antennas. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3 are done. Okay. Now let's move on to number 4. So number 4. So how we write number 4? We write number 4 like this. Okay. So I'll make a kite using number 4. So this is my center line of the kite. And this is the top part of the kite. Now just repeat the reverse and join these parts. So it became number 4. And this is the string of the kite. And this is for the balance. The number 4 is kite. If you have any doubt, please type it in the chat. So I'm making number 5 now. So number 5 is like this. Okay. And I'll start from here. So this is going to be an apple. So this is number 5. And now from here, I'm just repeating it again like this and let it join in the center. This is our number 5. Okay, so you can see number 5 here, right? Start from the top and make a curve. So number 5, and this is the leaf of the apple. So now number 6 is like this. Okay. We can make a snake using number 6. Or we can make a snail as well. Snail will be sleeping number 6. So let me make a yeah. So number 6 will be making a rabbit. So this is kind of sleeping number 6 like this. And then from here extend the line and make a oval shaped face and the eyes and the mouth. So this is the mouse and the legs here. Okay, so this is a tail. So it became a mouse. These are the whiskers of the mouse. So number 7. So now please complete it. I'm waiting for you. Then I will turn my page. By that time you guys are doing it. Can you show number 4? Yes, number 4 is, see, this is number 4. If you write it very big, then it will become a kite. Just you need to join all the 4 sides and make a triangle at the base and a string. So with number 4, we will make a kite. And number 5 and number 6. Okay, so this is sleeping number 6. So by the time you are doing it, I'll just outline it with the black sketch pen so that you can complete it. And then later I will move on to the number 7. So I'm just repeating number 4 here. This is number 4. Just join it. And then make a semicircle here. Okay. So number 6 is like this. So this is sleeping number 6. Like this. And then just make a line at the base and a oval shape face and the triangular nose, lips and the whiskers and the leg and the ears of the mouse. Okay, so I'm just outlining it. The antenna of the butterfly with number 3. Okay, so just give me a minute. I will move on to the next page. So I hope everybody is done. So this was our number 2. The candle. Okay, so I'm done with number 6. So now I'm taking another paper. By the time erase the pencil mark. Okay, so now I'm moving forward. I will check for everybody, okay, at the end. So now I'm making number 7. So number 7 is quite interesting. So this is number 7 and I'm going to make a crocodile. See, this is the mouth and it is going to be scary, and this is the stomach. Just join at the base, hand and the leg, nose and eyes and sharp teeth. Okay. So now the tail. So we have a crocodile at number 7. Right? It's quite easy. Number 8. How will we do number 8? Number 8 is also easy. So I'm doing it directly with the sketch pen. So this is number 8. So how will you write number 8? Make the bottom part little fat like this and just make a circle in the center. So this is number 8, and we have the hands of the teddy bear and the legs of the teddy bear. And eyes, the nose, and the smiling face, and the ears. So here we are with number 8. So number 8 is teddy bear. Okay, so some people are not done with the last page. So I'll just keep it here only. See, that's why I tell you to join on time. Otherwise, you will miss up something. Because we are supposed to color it also. Then we will not be leaving the time for the coloring. Okay, so you can just see from here. So now I'm moving ahead with number 9. Or just let me complete number 9 and 10. So number 9 is we have a sparrow at number 9. Okay, so this is how we are going to make number 9, and just extend this part and extend this part as well. So these are the feathers of the bird. And the beak. So she's turning her face on the back side. So this is the eye of the bird, and these are the legs, and she's sitting on a branch of a tree. So with the number 9 we made a sparrow. Okay, so now number 10. Number 10 is very easy. Everybody knows number 10. So number 10 is so we have a line. So we'll just repeat it and make a round and just make a cricket bat using these two. So this is the, sorry, you are not able to see it. So this is number 10. Okay. And the ball with the 0. So this is a cricket ball with number 0. Okay. So 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to color it now. So you can use sketch pen, pencil color, anything, crayons, anything is fine. Okay. So since it is here, I'll first do the coloring in this only. So I'll make the teddy bear pink and purple. Please post your work after the session. I have sent the link along with the meeting link. So you know how to post it now. Just go to the Facebook link and click the discussion and post your work in the comment section. So this is my teddy bear with the pink color. Please use bright colors. So now this is green. It's a crocodile. So you can color it later, okay? Now you know how to draw it. You can just color it afterwards. I'm just showing you the drawing. So coloring, I hope you can do it. So make it very colorful before submitting your work. Number 6. Number 6 is mouse. How to make? Okay, just give me a minute. I'll show you how to make number 6. Again, just wait. I'll color in the number 10, bat and ball. Okay. So number 6. See, number 6 is sleeping. So just start from here and make a curve like this. So number 6 is like this. So I just made it little tilted. Okay. Bring it down. So extend this line. Make an oval shape here. And make the eyes and triangular nose, whiskers and ears. And the feet and tail. So this is mouse with number 6. Okay. Okay. So I'll just quickly take 2 more minutes to complete the coloring. Then we will move on to the next session. Okay. So I have number 9, the bird. My bird is sky blue color. Don't forget to submit your work. You can tag your work also on your Facebook or your Instagram and just tag the Art Explorer Academy. So this is my bird, quite colorful, right? Yes, yes. See, so this is the previous one. So now I will color it in. I'll make a yellow and green kite. So this is yellow, or I'll just make yellow kite hole. So you can outline with the sketch pen and erase the pencil mark and color it. Okay. I'll send the picture in the group. You can see the coloring. And now my red apple. The green leaf. Okay. So I have a yellow duck. Okay. And the candle is orange. Orange candle with the yellow flame. Okay. So now the butterfly and the mouse is left. So my butterfly is pink and purple. So I'll just fill in the brown in the center. Okay, so don't spoil it in a hurry. You can do it after the session as well. Okay. So this is my, just erase the pencil mark first. Okay. So the mouse is brown color. That's it. Done. So this is the last part of the session and we are done. Please submit your beautiful work. I would love to see your work. I feel happy to see your work. Please follow us on Instagram as well. Okay, so done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 7, 8, 9, 10 show. Okay. Yes, we are just moving on to the next session. Just give me 2 minutes. Let few more people join in.